Most Americans have one bank account, maybe two. Their paycheck goes in, their bills come out, and whatever is left over just sits there, earning almost nothing. The national average savings rate right now is 0.39%. Meanwhile, people who understand how money actually flows are earning 10 times that on the same dollars. The difference is not how much they earn. It is how they organize their money. 5 accounts, each one with a specific job, and the system runs itself. In the next 10 minutes, I am going to show you the exact 5-account system with the specific banks I recommend for each one in 2026. And there is one account number 4, that most Americans do not even know exists. It is completely free. It runs in the background, and it quietly builds your wealth while you do absolutely nothing. But first, let me tell you about Jordan. Jordan is 27 years old, lives in Phoenix, makes $51,000 a year. He had one checking account at a big national bank. Everything went in. Everything came out. He could never figure out where his money went. By the 25th of every month, he was low. By the 30th, he was stressed. He was not overspending. He was not irresponsible. His money just had no structure. Every dollar was in one pile. Rent money, mixed with grocery money, mixed with savings, mixed with fun money. And when everything lives in one place, you spend what you see. Jordan set up this 5-account system in one weekend. And within 3 months, he had saved more than he had in the entire previous year. I will show you his exact numbers at the end. Account number 1, your bills, checking account. This is where your paycheck lands. And this is where only your fixed bills come out. Rent or mortgage, utilities, car payment, insurance, phone bill, subscriptions. That is it. Nothing else touches this account. Every bill is on autopay. Every bill is predictable. You check this account once a month, and it handles itself. The purpose of this account is protection. Your essential bills will never bounce, because no other spending can drain this account. For this account, any major bank works: Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, your local credit union, wherever your direct deposit goes. Account number 2, your spending account. This is your guilt-free money. Groceries, gas, coffee, dining out, entertainment. Everything that is not a fixed bill. Every payday, a set amount automatically transfers from your bills, checking into this account. Jordan set his at $800 per paycheck. That was his budget for everything that was not a bill. When this account runs low, you slow down spending. When it hits 0, you stop. You never have to check a budget spreadsheet. You never have to track categories. The account is the budget. If there's money in the spending account, you can spend it. If there's not, you wait until the next paycheck. This is the simplest budgeting system in the world. And it works because it removes willpower from the equation. Use a separate checking account at the same bank, or a debit card from an online bank like SoFi or Chime. Account number 3, your emergency fund. This is not at your regular bank. This lives in a high-yield savings account at an online bank. In April 2026, the best high-yield savings accounts are paying around 4%. Some are even higher. The national average savings rate at a traditional bank? 0.39%. That means if you have $10,000 in emergency savings at a regular bank, you earn about $39 a year. The same $10,000 in a high-yield savings account at 4% earns you $408. Same money, different account. $369 more per year. And it is still FDIC insured up to $250,000. Your money is just as safe. It is just earning 10 times more. For this account in 2026, SoFi is paying up to 4%. Wealthfront is at 4.2. CIT Bank is at 4.1. If you watched my emergency fund video, you know this account holds your buffer plus reserve. 1 to 2,000 in a buffer for small emergencies. 3 months of essential expenses in the reserve. This account is not for spending. It is separate from your daily bank on purpose. The friction of transferring money out takes 1 to 2 business days. And that friction stops you from touching it impulsively. Account number 4. This is the one most Americans are missing. Your wealth building account. This is a Roth IRA or a brokerage account where your money is invested. Not saved, invested. Here is the difference. Your emergency fund at 4% keeps your money safe. But 4% barely keeps up with inflation. Your wealth building account averages 8 to 10% historically because it is invested in the stock market through index funds. Every payday, an automatic transfer goes from your bills, checking, into your Roth IRA or brokerage account. It buys a total stock market index fund. Automatically. You do not pick stocks. You do not watch charts. You do not think about it. Here is what this looks like over time. If Jordan puts $200 a month into his Roth IRA, starting at 27, at an average return of 8%, by age 60, he will have approximately $330,000, tax-free. That is account number 4. It does not feel like anything month to month, but over 30 years, it becomes the most valuable account you own. If you have watched my Roth IRA video or my investing with $100 video, you already know how to set this up. If not, those videos are linked in the description. Watch them next. The point is simple. Saving keeps you safe. Investing makes you wealthy. You need both in separate accounts, running at the same time. Account number 5, the Fun Fund. This is the most overlooked account in personal finance. Every financial system that does not include guilt-free spending eventually breaks because humans are not robots. You cannot save and invest every dollar and feel nothing. The Fun Fund is a small savings account where you put money for things that make life enjoyable. Vacations, concerts, a new pair of shoes, a nice dinner out. Every payday, a small automatic transfer goes into this account. Jordan set his at $100 per paycheck. When he wants something fun, he checks this account. If the money is there, he spends it with zero guilt. If it is not, he waits. This account is not a luxury. It is what keeps the other 4 accounts working. Without it, people eventually rebel against their own system. They feel deprived. They binge spend. And the whole thing collapses. The Fun Fund prevents the collapse. Use a simple savings account at your bank or a separate HYSA. Here is how Jordan wired it all together. Every payday, his $3,400 paycheck hit his bills, checking. Autopay handled all fixed bills, about $1,900. Automatic transfers sent $800 to his spending account, $300 to his emergency fund, HYSA, $200 to his Roth IRA, $100 to his Fun Fund. Leftover in bills checking, about $100. Stays as a buffer. He set it up on a Saturday afternoon. Took about 2 hours. After that, everything ran automatically. In 3 months, Jordan had $900 in his emergency fund, $600 in his Roth IRA, $300 in his fund, and he had not gone over budget a single time. Not because he was more disciplined, because the system was disciplined for him. In 1 year at this rate, he will have $3,600 in emergency savings, $2,400 invested, and $1,200 in guilt-free fun money. From the same paycheck he was already earning, with the same salary he already had. The money did not change. The system changed. Here is what to do this weekend. Step 1. Open a high-yield savings account for your emergency fund. SoFi, Wealthfront, CIT Bank. Takes 10 minutes. Step 2. Open a Roth IRA at Fidelity, Vanguard, or Schwab. Another 10 minutes. Step 3. Set up automatic transfers from your bills, checking to all 4 accounts. Time them for the day after your paycheck arrives. Step 4. Put all fixed bills on autopay from your bills checking. Step 5. Use your spending account debit card for daily purchases. When it runs low, you are done until next paycheck. The entire setup takes 1 afternoon, and it runs on autopilot from that point forward. Most people do not have a money problem. They have a system problem. 1 account is chaos. 5 accounts is clarity. Bills, checking for protection. Spending, checking for freedom. Emergency, HYSA, for safety. Roth IRA, for wealth. Fund for sanity. 5 accounts. 5 jobs. 1 system. How many bank accounts do you have right now? Drop the number below. If you need to set up your emergency fund, that video is on your screen right now. And if you are ready to start investing, my $100 investing video walks you through it step by step. Subscribe to Wealth Storyline. Every week, we break down the money systems most Americans were never taught. See you there. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only and should not be considered financial advice.